Alright guys, today we're learning English with actor, pro wrestler and superhero John Cena. He said some very funny and interesting things in his interview with Wired, and today we're going to break them down in this video. So hopefully by the end of this video you will know a few more English phrases and you can use them in real life.
I think it's a better event with me in it. In typical WWE fashion, don't try that at home.
Okay, so first, John Cena is not talking about clothes here. When he says in typical WWE fashion, he means the usual way that someone does something. So this has nothing to do with clothes or trends. So for example, in typical teacher fashion, he gave us homework for the weekend. So this is something that a teacher would usually do. In typical Monday fashion, I was late for work. This means that you are usually late for work on a Monday. Maybe you're a bit tired, I don't know. In typical John fashion, he made everyone laugh. So here we mean that John is usually quite a funny person, makes people laugh.
Can John Cena grow facial hair? Not a chance. I haven't shaved in 5 weeks.
So someone asked John if he could grow a beard during the interview. He answers, not a chance. So this is a fun and casual way to say, no, absolutely not. This means there's zero possibility. And John is joking around a bit here because he knows that he can't grow much facial hair. Okay, here are some examples. So, can you eat 10 burgers in one setting? No, not a chance. So this means it's really difficult, almost impossible to eat that many burgers. Do you think it will snow in the desert? No, not a chance. Okay, impossible, right? Most of the time. Will you make it to the wedding next Friday? Not a chance. Now you're saying that you really wouldn't be able to go.
Okay, why is John Cena in Ambani wedding? Because I was invited. What a cool event to go to. Man, they really rolled out the red carpet and threw a huge wedding. I was invited.
Right, so here John Cena is talking about the Ambani wedding in India, and this wedding was super fancy and expensive. The phrase rolled out the red carpet does not literally mean to roll out a carpet. Instead, it means to give someone some very special treatment or to make someone feel like a VIP. When the president visited the city, they really rolled out the red carpet for him. So that just means they made him feel very special and very important. My friend's wedding was amazing. They really rolled out the red carpet for all of the guests. That means they gave the guests very special treatment for the wedding. When we arrived at the hotel, they really rolled out the red carpet for us. So that just means the hotel made that extra effort to make you feel welcomed and special.
Who is John Cena's biggest rival? That one's simple, the audience. My goodness, we've been going back and forth for almost 25 years now.
So here, John Cena is talking about his biggest rival. He's not literally saying that he's going back and forth walking in a room. He means they've been competing for years. So kind of like a ping pong game. One person hits the ball, the other one hits it back. Sometimes one of them wins, sometimes the other one loses, and it goes back and forth like that for many years. So for example, my brother and I have been going back and forth about who's better at video games. That means that they are arguing. So first he wins, first you win, and it never ends. The two companies have been going back and forth about the contracts for months now. So that means there has been a lot of negotiating and no one can make a decision about what to do. We've been going back and forth about what to eat tonight. So sushi or fish and chips, no one can decide what to do or what to eat.
Did John Cena actually play the piano in Peacemaker? Yes. That is my haphazard version of Home Sweet Home. I don't remember a note of it.
Here, John Cena is talking about playing the piano in Peacemaker. When he says haphazard version, what he means here is that his piano playing was anything but perfect. So it wasn't perfect. So the word haphazard means something is messy, not done carefully, or it's not planned very well. So John is kind of joking around a bit here. He's saying that his version of Home Sweet Home was not very good or not perfect. Here are some example sentences. I made a haphazard drawing of a cat. So that means probably you drew something more like a dog than a cat, maybe? We took a haphazard road trip with no plan whatsoever. That means the trip was maybe unplanned and a little bit adventurous, probably not in a good way. His haphazard speech was funny, but a little confusing. So that means maybe he didn't prepare very well for the speech. Okay, that's it for today, guys. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep bringing you these English videos. And don't forget to keep practicing these phrases. So the more you use them, the more natural you're going to sound. Also, if there are any other celebrities that you would like to learn from, let me know in the comments and maybe I'll make a video for that next time. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.